We've met the pump, we've met the rooms and doors inside it, we've met the roads. Now let's put it all together and watch the blood make its full journey, because your blood doesn't travel in one big circle, it travels in two. Picture a figure, 8, 2 loops crossing in the middle, and the heart sits right at that crossing point, driving both. Let's ride along. Start with tired blood, dark, low on oxygen, arriving back from the body. It pours into the right side of the heart. Now, the first loop begins. The right side pumps this blood on a short trip just to your lungs and back. We call this the pulmonary loop. Pulmonary means of the lungs. In the lungs, the blood flows through those tiny capillaries wrapped around little air sacs. It dumps its waste gas, carbon dioxide, and grabs a fresh load of oxygen. Now, bright red and refreshed, the blood flows back, a short trip to the left side of the heart. That's the first loop complete. Tired blood went to the lungs and came back full of oxygen. Now the second loop, the left side of the heart, takes that fresh blood and pumps it on a long journey out to your entire body. This is the systemic loop. Systemic means to the whole system, on all of you. This is the big one, and up to your brain, down to your toes, out to your fingers, your stomach, your muscles. Every cell, everywhere gets its delivery from this loop. And out there, in the body's capillaries, the blood gives up its oxygen to your cells and picks up their waste. It turns dark and tired again. Then it flows back to the right side of the heart, exactly where we started. And the whole figure 8 begins again, so follow the pattern. Right heart, to the lungs, to the left heart, that's loop 1, the short one. Left heart, to the body, back to the right heart, that's loop 2, the big one. 2 loops joined at the heart, running non-stop. Now you see why the heart is 2 pumps in 1. The right pump drives the short lung loop. The left pump drives the long body loop. Both squeeze at the same time, every beat, keeping both circles flowing together. And you see why the left side is stronger. Its loop is huge, all the way around your body. The right side only pushes to the nearby lungs. Same beat, very different distances. Here's something wild. A single drop of blood completes this entire figure 8, both loops, in about 1 minute. Lungs, heart, body, heart, and around again, every minute of your life. And notice what just happened. To carry oxygen, your circulatory system had to visit your lungs. 2 different systems working as one. No system in your body stands alone. So that's the complete picture. 1 heart, 2 loops, a short trip to fill up on oxygen, and a long trip to deliver it everywhere. Around and around, in a quiet figure 8, your blood has been making this journey since before you were born. And it's making it right now, keeping every cell of you alive.